sister up, pull your sister up, pull your sister up. TDA Lifestyle. Pull your sister up, pull your sister up, pull your sister up. TDA Lifestyle.
Hi everybody, welcome back to TDA Lifestyle with me, Alphonsine. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. Visit our website for all the information that you need, and if you'd like to place your order, please send a WhatsApp message or call the numbers on screen. So yeah, it's been a while. Happy New Year, happy 2022. I hope this year treats you well. I wish you prosperity in all the things that you do. May God bless you and all the good stuff. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to rock this beautiful wig. Yes, this is the new KENDRA headband wig, and yes, this is 100% human hair, Brazilian hair. So this hair can be straightened, can be blow dried, and it doesn't tangle. So you can see how my fingers are just gliding through this wig. This wig is perfect for every day, okay, for any occasion really. It is lightweight. It is a 10-inch wig. So as you can see, we added some curls. This wig does come straight, but we added some curls just to give it a little bit of volume, and you can see how flexible this wig is. And this is ombre color. It is beautiful, and yeah, if you want to see how to wear this wig, please stay tuned.
Hey, awesome ladies, it's February. This means it's Valentine's month, the month of love. So here at TDA Lifestyle, we would like to show you how much we love you by giving you 30% off selected wigs. Yeah, you heard right. 30% off selected wigs. So come on, place your orders. Happy Valentine's month.
Alright, so let's get right into this video. So for this wig, you're not going to need anything. You're not going to need any laying or slaying or blow dries or silk scarf, any of that stuff. All you're going to need is your wig, literally. So I'm going to grab my wig. So I had my hair as flat as possible. I just brushed my edges with a little bit of gel, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. So I just brushed my edges like that. There we go, nothing fancy. So I'm going to grab the wig and I am going to wear it. So there you go. I love this color. So yeah, so it's got the Velcro bands and it's got two combs so that the wig can fit securely. There we go. So I'm going to adjust my wig like this. So I've adjusted it, I've hooked the tabs. So the further apart they are, the looser the wig's gonna be. The closer they are, the tighter the wig's gonna fit. So now I'm going to just tilt my head forward and I'm gonna dump it into the wig. So I've got my mirror here. Like that. Make sure everything is sitting nicely, nice and flat. There we go. Just gonna push it back a little bit to expose my edges. And there you have it. So easy, so simple. So now I'm gonna brush it into place. Oh, I love it. Can you see how my fingers are gliding through? This is 100% human hair. It's Brazilian hair, and you can see how my fingers are flowing through it, so it doesn't tangle. You can curl it, you can straighten it. Really, this wig is amazing. It is very lightweight. Ooh, this is great. Look at the color. I just love the color. I love the ombre color. And there you have it. Really easy, very simple. You just put this wig on and you look like $1,000,000. So yeah, let me show you guys the back. So there you go, guys. You can just put this wig on and you're ready to go. Yeah, that's it really. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.